today we will be teaching you a new word of the week. Macaque! Yay! Macaques are primates whose arms and legs are about the same in length. The fur of a macaque is usually different shades of brown or black, and their muzzles are rounded with nostrils on the upper surface. The tail of a macaque varies. It can be long, moderate, short, or not even have a tail. Although several species of macaque do not have tails, they are true monkeys. Macaques prefer eating fruit, seeds, leaves, flowers, and tree bark. Some species of macaque will also eat small amounts of meat from shellfish, insects, and small mammals. They also have large pouches in their cheeks where they carry extra food. Macaques live in troops that vary in size, where males dominate. Macaques are also highly intelligent, are able to swim and spend most of their time on the ground, along with some time in trees. Macaques are found in a variety of places throughout the Asian continent, including India, and are highly adaptable. Certain species have also learned to live alongside humans. You can also use macaque in a sentence like this. The macaque packed its cheeks full of fruit and flowers. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey, macaque! If you liked our video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week. Bye!